The world of relationships is fraught with complexities. Navigating its treacherous terrain requires wisdom, discernment, and an unwavering commitment to your own personal growth. As a Stoic, you understand the importance of self-mastery and emotional resilience. You refuse to be swayed by the whims of others or the fleeting nature of external validation. In matters of the heart, this Stoic mindset becomes even more crucial. We often find ourselves seeking validation and affection from others, hoping to fill a void within ourselves. However, true fulfillment can only come from within. In this video, we will delve into 4 subtle signs that a woman may not truly value you. Time, gentlemen, is the most precious commodity we possess. It is the one thing that once spent can never be reclaimed. Every second that ticks away is a moment lost forever, a fragment of our lives that we can never get back. This makes time invaluable, more precious than gold or any material wealth. It is a finite resource, and how we choose to spend it speaks volumes about our priorities. Each tick of the clock is a reminder that our time on this earth is limited, and we must make the most of it. The way we allocate our time reflects what we truly value in life, whether it be our careers, our hobbies, or our relationships. When a woman consistently struggles to make time for you, it's not about a busy schedule, it's about priorities. Everyone has the same 24 hours in a day, and how we choose to spend those hours reveals what is truly important to us. If she is always too busy to see you, it means that you are not high on her list of priorities. Consider the words of Marcus Aurelius, who, despite the immense responsibilities of ruling an empire, always found time for what truly mattered. He understood that time is a reflection of our values, and that making time for the people and activities that are important to us is essential for a fulfilling life. His wisdom teaches us that no matter how busy we are, we can always find time for what truly matters if we prioritize it. A woman who values you will move mountains to spend time with you. She will make an effort to be with you, even if it means rearranging her schedule or sacrificing other activities. Her actions will show that you are important to her, and she will make you feel valued and cherished. She will prioritize your connection, even amidst the chaos of daily life. No matter how hectic her schedule may be, she will find ways to spend quality time with you. Whether it's a quick coffee date, a phone call, or a weekend getaway, she will make sure that you feel loved and appreciated. If she's constantly offering excuses, canceling plans, or leaving you on read, it's time to confront the uncomfortable truth. You are not a priority in her life. Excuses and cancellations are signs that she is not willing to invest her time and energy into the relationship. It's a hard pill to swallow, but it's better to face the truth than to live in denial, and gentlemen, that is a bitter pill to swallow. Realizing that you are not a priority in someone's life can be painful and disheartening. It can make you feel unimportant and undervalued, but it's important to remember that your worth is not determined by someone else's actions or priorities, but swallow it you must. Accepting this reality is the first step towards healing and moving forward. It allows you to reclaim your time and emotional energy and to invest them in people and activities that truly matter to you. Because recognizing this truth is the first step towards reclaiming your time and your emotional energy. It empowers you to take control of your life and to focus on what truly matters. By letting go of relationships that do not serve you, you open yourself up to new opportunities and experiences that can bring you joy and fulfillment. So, gentlemen, value your time, prioritize your well-being, and never settle for less than you deserve. Effort, gentlemen, is the currency of love and respect. It's the silent language that speaks volumes about your intentions and feelings. When you go out of your way to do something special, it's not just about the act itself, but the thought and care behind it. It's how we demonstrate our commitment and care for another human being. These gestures, big or small, are the building blocks of a strong and enduring relationship. They show that you are willing to invest in the happiness and well-being of your partner. When you put in effort, you're investing your precious time and energy into nurturing the connection. Whether it's planning a surprise date night, cooking a meal, or simply being there when she needs you, these actions are a testament to your dedication. And when those efforts are consistently met with indifference or a lack of appreciation, it chips away at your sense of self-worth. It's disheartening to feel like your actions are going unnoticed, and over time, this can lead to feelings of frustration and sadness. A woman who values you will not only notice your efforts, but will also acknowledge and appreciate them. She will understand the significance of your actions and will make sure to let you know that your efforts are seen and valued. She will recognize the thoughtfulness behind your actions and respond with gratitude and affection. This mutual appreciation creates a positive feedback loop where both partners feel valued and motivated to continue putting in effort. Gratitude, gentlemen, is the lifeblood of any healthy relationship. It's the glue that holds everything together, fostering a sense of mutual respect and admiration. When both partners express gratitude, it strengthens the bond and deepens the connection. It fosters mutual respect, appreciation, and a deep sense of connection. These moments of gratitude and recognition are what make a relationship truly special. They remind us why we fell in love in the first place and keep the spark alive. If your efforts are consistently met with silence, it's a sign that she doesn't value your contributions to the relationship. This lack of acknowledgement can be a red flag, indicating deeper issues that need to be addressed. And that, gentlemen, is a recipe for resentment and heartbreak. When one partner feels unappreciated, it creates a rift that can be difficult to mend. Open communication and mutual appreciation are key to preventing this from happening. So if you find yourself in a situation where your efforts go unnoticed, it's important to have an honest conversation with your partner. Express your feelings and let her know how her lack of appreciation is affecting you. A healthy relationship is built on a foundation of mutual respect and appreciation. When both partners are willing to put in the effort and acknowledge each other's contributions, it creates a strong and lasting bond. Remember, gentlemen, your efforts are a reflection of your love and commitment. Don't let them go unnoticed. Seek a partner who values and appreciates you, and together you can build a relationship that stands the test of time. Chapter 3. Zero emotional investment. A relationship without emotional investment is like a body without a soul. It lacks depth, meaning, and genuine connection. When two people come together, it's not just about physical presence or shared activities. It's about intertwining their emotional worlds, creating a bond that goes beyond the superficial. When a woman values you, she will want to connect with you on a deeper emotional level. She will seek to understand your inner world, your thoughts, and your feelings. This connection is not just about sharing happy moments, but also about being there during the tough times. She will be curious about your thoughts, dreams, and fears. This curiosity is a sign of her investment in the relationship. She wants to know what makes you tick, what keeps you up at night, and what your aspirations are. This level of interest shows that she sees a future with you and wants to be a part of it. She will engage in meaningful conversations, offering support, empathy, and understanding. These conversations are the foundation of a strong relationship. They allow both partners to feel seen and heard, creating a safe space where they can be their true selves without fear of judgment. If she shies away from vulnerability, keeps conversations surface level, and avoids discussing anything remotely personal, it's a sign that her heart is not fully invested in the relationship. This lack of depth can create a sense of distance and disconnection, making it difficult to build a lasting bond. Emotional intimacy, gentlemen, is the bedrock of any strong and lasting bond. It's about more than just physical closeness. It's about sharing your innermost thoughts and feelings with someone who truly cares. This kind of intimacy creates a deep sense of trust and security, which is essential for a healthy relationship. It's about allowing yourself to be seen, heard, and understood by another human being. This vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to the strength of the relationship. When both partners are willing to open up and share their true selves, it creates a bond that can withstand any challenge. If she's unwilling to meet you in that space of vulnerability, it's a sign that she doesn't value your emotional world. This can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness, as you may feel like you're carrying the weight of the relationship on your own. And that, gentlemen, is a lonely road to travel. A relationship without emotional investment is like a journey without a destination. It may seem fine at first, but over time, the lack of depth and connection will take its toll. To build a strong and lasting relationship, both partners must be willing to invest emotionally, creating a bond that can weather any storm. Chapter 4. Disrespect. Respect, gentlemen, is non-negotiable. It is the foundation upon which all healthy relationships are built. A woman who values you will respect your opinions, your ambitions, and your presence in her life. Disrespect can manifest in many subtle ways. Dismissive comments, condescending tone, interrupting you, belittling your accomplishments, or disregarding your boundaries. It's important to remember that respect is not about always agreeing. It's about engaging in respectful dialogue, even when there are differences of opinion. Marcus Aurelius, despite his position of power, treated everyone with respect, regardless of their social standing. A woman who truly values you will treat you with the same level of respect and consideration. If you find yourself constantly being undermined, dismissed, or disrespected, it's time to reevaluate the relationship. Because a woman who doesn't respect you will never truly value you. Outro: embrace your worth. Recognizing these subtle signs of undervaluing is crucial for maintaining your self-respect and emotional well-being. As a Stoic, you understand that your worth is not defined by someone else's actions or inactions. You are enough, just as you are. If you spot these red flags in your relationship, it's time to step back and refocus on your personal growth. Invest in yourself, pursue your passions, and surround yourself with people who appreciate and value you for the amazing man you are. Remember, gentlemen, you deserve to be with someone who cherishes your presence, respects your values, and supports your journey. Never settle for anything less than the love, respect,